Hello students, today we will study a poem for students of class 10. The name of the poem is Animal, written by Walt Whitman. This poem is taken from Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass. Now, before starting to the chapter, I will just give a little introduction of this poem. In this poem, the poet tells us about how he prefers over human, and he also tells us the negative thing that human have but animal does not. So now let us begin with the lesson. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. I stand and look at them long and long. The word placid here means relaxed and calm, and the word self-contained means self-satisfied. So in this stanza, the poet is saying that he wants to live with animals as they are so calm, peaceful and self-satisfied. And these are the qualities of animal that the poet likes. And then the poet just stand and look at the animal long and analyzes it, how they are so peaceful and calm, and nor they bother other animal, and that's why he wanted to stay with the animal. In the next line, they do not sweat and whine about their condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. So in this two line, what the poet is saying, the word whine here means cry. So here the poet is saying that the animal does not cry or complain about their condition, nor they cry for their guilt by staying awake whole night and thinking about it. These are the qualities of human that are being performed, and they are the negative qualities of human but not of animal. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. So here one more thing the poet is saying, that human, whenever they are being performed by them for God or for any other, like helping or doing something for other, they always discuss around by saying it. And this quality of human being make the poet feel sick. So in the next line, not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owing things. Here demented means mad, mania means crazy. So here what the poet is saying, that the human being are greedy. They are always dissatisfied of what they have. They always need more and more of everything, and they have the craziness of owing something. But these qualities are not in animal. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. So here the poet is saying, like human being, they sometimes make other people superior, whether it's their ancestor or some other people. They follow their path, they work according to them, they act as their slave, but animals are not like that. They treat every animal equally. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So here what the poet is saying, the poet is saying that it's not that animals are unhappy or they are giving any respect to others, but they are all maintaining equal status in the whole earth, and these qualities of animal are liked by the poet. So in the next line what the poet is saying, so they show their relation to me and I accept them. They bring me token of myself, they evince them plainly in their possession. So here token means symbol or quality, evince means show. So here what the poet is saying, the line token of myself means that those qualities which were earlier held by human, like innocence, kindness, are now not longer in human, are not seen in human, but are now seen in animal. I wonder where they got those token. Here they means animal, token again means quality. So here the poet is wondering from where this animal have got this quality. Did I pass that way huge time ago and negligently drop them? Negligently means carelessly. So here what the poet is thinking, that might be due to the carelessness of human being, these qualities had been passed on to animal. So now the human being are no longer kindness or innocent, but this quality had been passed on to animal.